Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DNR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like something such as, multiple weeks, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 305. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 305, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay up above 305, that would certainly be the biggest sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at the chart from a big picture type viewpoint, that is where the purple line there comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. Again, yeah, big picture perspective, it'd be great if the price could stay above 305. But as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls do 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, pretty straightforward. The party stopped today up there at 319. So 319 is where, just the sellers finally showed up and enough power to overwhelm the buyers. So 319, public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, taking a step back, as long as the price puts in higher lows, then just, that's going to keep on building those stair steps. And then you have stair steps going in the upwards direction. The chart as a whole will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.